If I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Chidinma of Ucnoeline Beauty Empire. You are highly welcome. And for you, my old subscribers, thank you for tuning in back. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have already cut my Swiss lace according to the size I want to make. So I'm going to do like a 360 closure for this, and this is the cap I'm using for this. You can use any cap, but I want to use this cap. I first of all set the cap on my mannequin or canvas head properly, and then I go up off camera to sew down my 360. This is what it looks like after sewing it down. I hand stitched the 360. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to fit it on my cap and canvas head. Obviously, see I'm making a 22 inches wig cap for this. I'm using the canvas head that is 22 inches. So before I put my 360 closure, make sure that I pin down my cap the way I'm showing you, so that it will not move while I'm doing the sewing. Then I will now fix or fit my 360 the way I want it to be on the cap. After that, I'll make sure I pin it down, make sure everything is well aligned. And at the back, you see that it's too big or it's loose at the back. I have to put some darts at the back. Then I'll go now to sew this 360. And before I sew this, make sure you pin everything down so that they're not going to move. The cap and the 360 closure will not move as we are sewing, so that it will not disrupt or alter the size or whatever you are going to do. Make sure that everything is put in place. So this is me sewing down my 360 down on the wig cap. I'm using a black thread to sew it down on the wig cap. So guys, if you want a detailed video on how to do this 360, I think I have a video on that, okay? But if you want an updated video which is not that difficult, I will still show you. But you know, the views I get on my videos are not encouraging, so I don't find it interesting to put my camera, because to get all these things on camera is not that easy. To place the right angle, to get the work on camera is not that. At the end of the day, you'll not be getting enough views. So what's the sense of, or the point of me stressing myself? That's why I don't want to put all these ones on camera. Then after doing the 360, sewing it down on my quick cap, I'll go ahead to cut off the part of the cap underneath the 360. After cutting it, I'll go off camera to ventilate that part of the 360. Then I'll come back and show you how I crochet the cap part of that's the other part of the cap. If you still want to know how to ventilate, I still have a video on ventilating, which I will still put at the end of the day. So this is what the cap with the 360 look like. You can see that the back is somehow, so I'm going to hold the back down, make it tight and fitted. So I'll go off camera to use a thread and needle, a thread that is the same color with this lace, to sew down this dots that I created while sewing down the cap. This is the thread, and I'm going to, so after that, this is what everything looks like. As you can see, it fits the cap, my canvas head. Then I went off camera to do the ventilating. This is what the ventilating looks like. Now let me show you quickly how I crocheted the other parts of the cap. I'll first of all cut the hair the way as short as I can crochet it on the cap. So the hair I'm using is a bouncy kinky. I like bouncy kinky for this type of crochet. I love it. I love the texture, and I love how coily, how tightly the coils are. Now this is me crocheting every other part of the cap, which is not that difficult. You're going to see what I did. Since it's 3/6, I'm going to crochet it round and round until I get to the middle. Okay guys, stay tuned, keep watching. I will come back again and talk to you guys when necessary. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of
never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's back in.
Then after the last crochet, after crocheting the last one, which is in the middle there, I'll go outside to do the cutting. I will say that this is the main part of this week, the cutting. The type of cutting I'm going to do is like, is a punk kind of style. Is a punk style. It's not a low cut style, the punk style, which I'm going outside after these two cuts or trim and style. And I'm going to take you guys along with me while doing that. So guys, let's go outside to cut the hair. Then before I cut the hair, make sure that the cap is sitting tightly on the canvas head, so it's not gonna move. Then I'll start with my pair of scissors to cut. As you can see, I'm not cutting it deep down in the first cut. My first cutting step, I did not go deep down. I have to take it step by step, take it gradually until you get your desired level. And you have to be very, very careful, especially when doing this, the lacy part of this wig. That's right, that's the crocheted part, the ventilated part of this, because once you make a mistake on that part, you're going to take down all the hairs on that part and reventilate them back. Okay, again, for the middle part, that will not be a problem. Even if you make a mistake, don't be scared of making a mistake on that middle part. But if you see that ventilated part, be very, very, very gentle and very careful. But the middle part, no problem. Even if you make a mistake, you can still go back and crochet more hair, and make sure you have extra hair left in case you have any mistake. You call it miscellaneous hair or material. This is me leveling down the hair by cutting it down and down. I'm taking my time. Honestly, this part is very complicating if you're not careful. If you ask me, as I'm cutting this hair, my heart is on my hand as I'm doing this. You see that I'm not touching the front of the cap, the wig, that much, because the style the person showed me has the front intact and bushy, as if nobody cut it. I'm only cutting the side close to the ear, that's the ear side, the two sides, then down to the nape of the neck. Then the middle, I didn't touch it that much. So I'm cutting, and I noticed that I overcut the middle. Yeah, like I told you, you can go back and crochet or add more hair wherever you feel you make a mistake. But if you make a mistake on the ventilated part, that the lacy part, my sister, you have to go back, take down all the hairs there and ventilate again. So that's why you should be very careful while cutting the lacy part of this cap, of this wig. So this is me combing it out gently just to make sure everything is level. As you can see, the shape of this hair, I'm not liking the shape, so I went back to add more hair. You can go back, like I told you, you can go back to add more hair to it. And after adding more hair to my satisfaction, I'll go back into trimming until I get the desired shape. I want it to look that, I don't know how to explain, look natural, and the shape will be like the punk that we are doing. So guys, if you have watched this moment, thank you again for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, comment, and share this video. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe, okay? And make sure you turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever I drop new video. As you can see that the shape of the hair is coming together, and you can see it is obvious that the shape is shaping, okay? And again, guys, if you're interested in ordering this wig or the low cut wig or any type of wig, please check my description box, the column on the description box that says to order a wig. I'll put my link to that column. That's my WhatsApp. You can get me on WhatsApp or email or my email.
From the bruising, I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing.
So after making the trimming, this is what it looks like out of the canvas head. Then I will show you what she ordered and what I'm making for her, or what she's going to get at the end of this video. Yeah, this is what she ordered, and the other one is the wig I made. So you can see the resemblance. Let me know what your thoughts are about this wig. If I made her exactly what she wants. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And I'm going to leave you guys here. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.